We're creating a world that doesn't break down. Well, really, we're trying to create a world that doesn't break. And you're actually looking for a way to keep things running at an optimal level and get more value out of every dollar that you spend.
So for ProMV, what we're really trying to do is understand in real time whether our process is in a healthy state, just like that doctor is trying to understand whether their patient is in an overall state of health. And they can then rank you from one extreme to the other. That's basically the descriptive or diagnostic piece, to say yes, you're very healthy, or you're average, or you've got some health concerns. And the equivalent would be ProMV determining where this plant is operating. Is this plant operating in a very healthy state, an overperformer? Is it in an average state, or is this plant underperforming in some way in terms of product quality, production yield, production capacity, these types of things?
The next level is we now know something's wrong. How do we isolate what it is? That's everything from root cause analysis to other forms of analytics. And then finally, how do I prevent that from happening again? And that's the optimization piece.
So our approach in creating a world that doesn't break down is we're going to tell you this thing is going to happen, and we're going to show you how these technologies together can bring about this value, and then you're going to have the aha moment where you're going to tell other people this is a game changer and a competitive advantage. That's what APM is, and it permeates everything, everywhere.